subject social and topic name is civics first lesson Indian Constitution. Okay, in already we have seen emergency. Okay, in emergency, national emergency, state emergency, financial emergency we have seen. Okay, today we are going to see about amendment of the Constitution. Okay, the term amendment denotes change, improvement and modification. Okay, so the amendment means change, improvement and modification. Okay, so this is the amendment of the Constitution under this article 368, and in the part 20 deals with the powers of the Parliament to amend the Constitution and its procedure. Okay, so this article only deals with the any amendment. Okay, any changes in the Indian Constitution. Okay, in the procedure mean this article only deals with. Okay, so the amendment means any changes in the Constitution, any changes in the laws. Okay, so this can be deals with this article 368. Okay, next topic is procedure of amendment. Okay, so what is the procedure to change any constitution? Okay, so amendment of this constitution by the introductions of the bill. Okay, if any bill they are introducing, in that bill they are going to change any modification, they are going to any modify mean, this is the procedure. Okay, so the bill will be introduced in the House of the Parliament. We know that in 9th class we have seen houses will be two houses, upper house and lower house. Okay, so any changes, any bill introduction mean this can be done in the House of the Parliament only. Okay, so the bill is passed in each house. Okay, they can pass any bill in the house. Okay, each house they can pass, and that by the majority not less than 2/3 of members. Okay, so if the bill want to introduce mean they have to approve, they have to know the majority. The majority should be 2/3 of the members. Okay, so the 2/3 of members should be present and voting. They have to give their opinion. Okay, next the presented, after that the bill should be presented to the president. Okay, so after that house member they got majority mean the bill it should be in the table of president. Okay, so after that the president has to approve that bill. Okay, next the constitution amendment only brought up by the parliament. Okay, so any amendment in the constitution mean it can be done by the parliament only. Okay, so it is not done. Okay, it is not done any state legislature. Okay, in the state, particular state, they cannot do anything for the changes in the constitution. Okay, so the amendment, the constitution amendment only brought up in the parliament only. Okay, next topic is types of amendments. Okay, so under this article 368 there will be 3 ways in amendments. Okay, there will be 3 ways in order to amend the constitution. Okay, so first one is amendment by the simple majority. Amendment by the simple majority of the parliament. It is nothing but in the house of members 50% they are accepted that procedure, and also in order to amendment any changes in the constitution. Okay, but 50% they got means in the house member they have to present and vote. Okay, for that bill. Next, second, amendment by the special majority of the parliament. Okay, this is other than simple. Okay, the simple majority than special majority they are telling. Okay, next, amendment by the special majority of the parliament and ratifications of the half of the state legislature. Okay, it is also nothing but they have to got majority 2/3 of. Okay, not less than 2/3. Okay, in order to changes in the federal structure. Okay, if they want to changes in the federal structures of the constitution mean they have to get 2/3 of majority of the members. They have to should present and vote. Okay, for that amendment of the constitution. Okay, next one is 42nd Amendment Constitution. It is known as mini constitution. Okay, so 42nd Amendment it is also known as mini constitution. Okay, next topic is Constitution Reform Commission. Okay, so the National Commission is reviewed about working of the constitution. Okay, okay va. So then they are setting up one constitutional commission, that is national commission, okay va. So why they are set up means in order to know the conditions of the constitution, and also it is set up under resolutions of the government of India, okay va. This is was set up by who set up, this means a resolution of the government of India in 2000, okay. Next, this is the head of this commission means M.N. Venkata Chennaiah, okay. He is the person for this commission, okay, head of this commission. Okay, next, in April 2007, 3 members commission will be they set up, okay. For this commission, head will be former Chief Justice of India M.M. Punchi, okay. For 3 members commission, who is the head means M.M. Punchi, okay. So what is the role in this commission means first look of the relative roles and responsibilities of various levels of government and their interrelation, okay. This person has to have the first look about responsibilities and also various levels in the government, okay. He has to review and also he has to watch that, and also he has to know about the interrelations of the different states and also centers, okay. This is the work of this head, okay. Thank you, students.